Clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning? Clear. Meaning is clear. Directly it is they have already mentioned. Let me explain. From this cell 2, 3, 4. For example, 6, 1. If this cell is giving a current I, then I will flow here. Here also I. What they are saying, there should not be flow of any current through EB. It means this current should go like this. Here also I, here also I. Clear? Meaning is clear or not?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
There should not be any current flows through EB. Then find the potential drop across AD. They are asking VA minus VD. Now, first of
9
all,
volts.
we will apply the Kirchhoff's law. Decide the loop. Loop must be closed. I have decided a loop AF E D C B A. This is my loop. Outer loop. Clockwise. Here. Now you please check. You are starting from A to F. This is you observer. Clear? You are moving from this path. This is your path. Clear? This is your direction of path. Understood? So from A to F, then F to E, then E to D, D to C, C to B, and B to A. Clear? So please tell me from A to F, how much voltage drop? Tell me.
What voltage?
No. Current is going from how much voltage drop across this 2 ohm? Current is going from high to low. How much? Summation. What is the Kirchhoff KVL? Summation of all the potential drop will be 0 over the closed loop. So from in AF, how much? Minus
Minus.
AF. Okay, AF. Don't see others. AF minus I into 2 plus 1 F to E minus 3I, high to low you are going. Then E to D. E to D how much? Minus, what is the answer? Minus I into R. C to B plus 4. Low to high you are moving. Then B to A plus 6. It should be 0. Clear? So minus 2I, this is how much? Minus 2I. Did they mention R? No. Minus 2I. I think they have mentioned or not. This R1.
No, sir.
They didn't mention the R. Okay, no problem. So you please tell me what is the value of I? How much?
Sir,
What is the value of I? Clear?
Sir, yes. One
So
minute, sir.
did you see one thing like if I'm looking this if I'm assuming this our loop closed loop, what I'm getting? I in bracket It will be 5 plus R equal to what? Minus 2I minus 3 minus 5I. It is minus I 5 plus R equal to 6 or 4 10, 10 or 1 11. So answer is I will be 11 by 5 plus R. This is what we are getting. Clear? Value of R in terms of R. Now, but my question is, there is no current flows from E to B. There is no current flow from E to
A to B.
B. Is it 11 or 10?
Sir, can you please repeat, sir? Your
Okay.
voice was breaking.
Hello. What is the value of I? I comes out to be 5 plus R equal to 11.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now I'm applying this law, but in this way I'm not getting the answer. So I should approach a different way. If I take this is my loop F E P A F. If I take this is my loop, clear? So what I will get? I am getting I here, but in terms of R, I want the correct answer. So if you consider F E P A F loop, clear? So in this loop from F to E, how much voltage drop? Tell me.
Minus
3 into I,
3I.
clear? F to E, then E to B across R1, 0,
Yeah.
because there is no current. Minus 2 plus 3 from B to A, minus 2 plus, how much? Plus 6, then A to F across 2 ohm, it is minus 2I,
Minus 2.
negative to positive, plus 1, it is 0. So 3 or 2, 5I, 6 or 3, 9 or 1, 10. 5I is equal to 10, I will be what? 2 ampere. Clear? Understood?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt?
Understood. No,
So
sir.
I think this point is clear to you. What is the value of this I? 2 ampere. By this way, I'm getting the answer in terms of 5 plus R. I will get, but this method is very long. So make sure you should choose the loop wisely. Clear? So I'm telling all the way wherever you will commit mistake. Okay, na? I you got?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Then from A to D, they are asking what is the potential drop from A to D. You will start from A, okay? You start from A. What is the potential at A? You don't know. VA. Let us suppose. Clear? Now you are moving across 2 ohm. A to F, then F to E, then E to D. Now what is your path? A, F,
A,
E, D.
B.
A initial, D final. Let us suppose the potential at A is VA. Then how much drop here across 2 ohm? Minus 2I plus 1 FE. Across FE it will be minus 3I. Then finally you will be at T. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then please tell me VA minus VD how much? 3 plus 2, 5I minus 1. I is how much? 2. How much voltage drop? 5 2s are 10
9,
minus 1, 9 volt. It's the answer.
9 volts.
Understood? Tell me. Simply,
Yes,
I
sir.
just apply the rules. Rules, if you apply Kirchhoff law, you will get the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
If I ask one more question to you, could you please help me? What is the answer? Tell me. This is 2 ohm. This is 4 volt battery, 6 volt, just 6 ohm. A point, B point. If potential at A, if potential at A 10 volt, what is the potential at B? And current is flowing 1 ampere. Could you please help me? What is the potential at B? Could you solve?
Yes, sir. Minus
First of all, decide the direction of path. This is the direction of path. You can take any. You can take any path. I'm moving from left to right. Clear? Now,
yes,
what is
sir.
the potential at A? I'm moving from A to B. Just I will apply summation of all the potential change. It will be what? Should not be zero because it is an open loop. Okay. So at A, what is the potential at A VA? Clear? When you are moving across from A to B, how much voltage drop across 2 ohm? Minus 2I. Why? Because current is going from high potential to low potential. How much voltage drop? I into R. I is how much? 1 ampere. R is 2 ohm. Now you are crossing
Oh,
this battery from positive to negative. So how much? Minus 4. Now you are crossing
4
this battery from negative to positive. Plus 6.
plus 6
Now you are crossing this 6 ohm from high potential to low potential. Final low.
minus.
I is 1. IR. Then whatever remaining you are at V. Clear? So potential at V will be potential at A. How much? 10 minus 2 minus 4 plus 6 minus 6. What is the answer? 10 minus 6, it will be 4 volt. So this is the potential at 4. Potential at B, how much? 4 volt. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So write one question. I think you can solve or not. Let me check. In the circuit, write a question. Write down a question. In the circuit figure, in the circuit figure 3.155. 3.155. Assuming point A, assuming point A to be at zero potential, to be at zero potential, using Kirchhoff's law, find the potential at B. Find the potential at B. Clear? So I will draw the circuit. You just tell me the answer. Okay. What is the answer? This is 2 ohm. This is R. And this is 2 volt battery. 4 volt. Clear? A, B, C, B. And this is R1. Now what they are saying? In the circuit figure 3.155. This is figure 3.155. 3.155. Assuming point A to be at zero potential. Clear? Point A to be at zero potential. Find the potential at B. Can you solve?
Yes, sir.
Please try. Here current is also mentioned. They have mentioned how much current here in this branch. 3 ampere. In figure, okay? Solve. Current they have mentioned. It is 1 ampere here. Solve. This side loop. A to F, F to D, D to C, and C to A. This is our loop, closed loop, okay? Now A to F, current is coming in what way? And you are going in what way? This is your direction of path, AF. And current is coming from high to low. You are moving from low to high. How much voltage drop? Plus IR. Final always see high. Understood? Now F to D, no drop. D to C, D to C, your direction of path. You are going from high potential to low potential. It will be minus I into R. From C to A, it will be you're crossing the battery from positive to negative. Minus. So what is the value of this R? I'm not saying R1. What is R? R will be what? 6 ohm. Clear? If you got what is R 6 ohm, could you please apply the Kirchhoff's law from A to F, F to D, D to B, A to F,
Yes.
F, D, B? Because they are asking potential at A to be 0, then find the potential at B. They are asking like that. You please tell me. Now path is from A to F, F to D, D to B. So what is the, how much? Tell me A to F. How much drop? Current is coming 1 ampere. It will be 1 into 6. And at A, what is the potential at A? VA. From D to B, positive, negative. Final is negative. Minus 4. And whatever remaining at B. How much potential at A I have to mention in the question? 0. 6 minus 4. What is the potential at B? 2 volt. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Please note down, then I will give one more question. Now you understand Kirchhoff's law, how to apply?
20.
8 to 9,
20.
1 hour 20 minutes.
Yes, sir. There were a lot of corrections in maths, typing errors.
Okay. In the question paper, there is some error. Now I am asked like who is teaching the maths there?
Prashant sir is going for 12th. So now Manjula ma'am is teaching.
Manjula ma'am is teaching.
Yes, sir.
Now 10th.
She was like, I don't want to go for higher classes, but somehow she got this class, I think so.
Okay, she is saying I don't want to go for higher classes.
Yes, sir.
But somehow she got because
Only a lot of people are complaining at school now.
what?
Physics, half of the class is complaining, sir, now.
Half of the class.
Like
Yeah,
girls and some boys, I think. So mostly girls.
mostly girls are complaining.
And
Yeah,
some people guys are complaining like people are getting confused. I think so.
okay, even ma'am is also confused, na? She is handling
Don't tell me. Sir.
a lot of years. She has handled up to class 8. She has no experience regarding, I think, but she is good. But in higher classes, no experience. What I feel.
Hmm. So actually, yesterday was PTOD, sir. So today everything was going on in class.
Okay, I don't know. Velamal now they have no good teacher left. Mostly they went away. They
Yes, sir.
should think something like why they went. Some reasons were there. When I was teaching now, so that time also a lot of problems they created. That's why only I came there. Otherwise, I would never come. Physics, like what the students are saying. Physics,
Generally in CBSE, I find it that it's much more clear in CBSE now.
CBSE, what they would do. CBSE easy only. CBSE, who care? Even I'm teaching here 10th
Not
CBSE. I'm
teaching,
teaching
sir. They're school teaching, I'm saying.
school teaching where ma'am is teaching, na? Okay,
Yes, sir.
you just tell me.
Better than I.
You just tell me. You have one CBSE teacher. I don't know, ma'am. What's the name?
Brindavan.
Brinda ma'am. She is teaching a physics lesson in CBSE. The same lesson is being taught by another teacher in CBSE mode. Then it's common sense. They will understand.
Yes, sir.
There, nobody will complain also. CBSE. But you just tell me for foundation, what is the level of teaching? It is not that much.
No,
There,
sir, very easy.
hmm, question
Like
level should be
in
high.
last year, what I said, 9A2 sorry, 9A1 students are feeling normal because last year also they didn't have those levels of questions. But while 9A2 people were complaining, 9A1 were like, why are you complaining like that? Then only we are telling that last year we didn't solve easy questions like this.
Yes, no problem. God plan something.
At least I am finding it better.
Yeah, physics, if you get weak in physics, na, they are thinking we are learning something. No, it's
Physics
not
is much easier.
they thought physics is easy. No.
No, sir, I
Now,
am telling physics is much easier now.
yeah, because you learn up to that level. Na, it's still lot of things. When I'm going to start power, na, lot of things I will teach. Now, physics is easy for you, but for some student, it is still tough. They didn't see the level till now.
Sir, now I got the answer. The one I made a mistake and now I got the answer.
Yeah, in exam, I think lot of pressure is there, na. So that time, but you just show me the question.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
But, uh, you can send in a group also. I will check. No problem. Now, when you are solving Oswald question, na, previous year question paper, you will realize the thing which you have learned, that level you can reach.
Sir, for preparing for like JEE Advanced and Mains, what books do people refer to, sir? Other
You
than
when
HC
you
Verma.
when you came, SC Verma is very important. Okay, I'm also following SC Verma. If you not now here, it is there in my room. SC Verma,
Suddenly,
follow
I'm
S.
feeling concerned.
What?
Suddenly, I'm feeling concerned about that. That's why.
So I am
Generally,
telling
in
you
all books,
which book. Okay. Follow SC Verma only. I will not follow SC Verma. So all NC Verma question, that is sufficient.
for
Right.
mains, advanced,
Up to advanced. If you solve SC Verma question, na, that is more good level. You will not, if you understand that those question, na, things are very easy.
because my cousin had like some 30 books, I think so.
Let them have. Clear. But if you want
I
really
think
for
uh, she got
Pradeep
NIT.
is good, but I am suggesting SC Verma is best book. If
Yes,
you
sir.
go and ask na SC Verma, if you solve SC Verma, that is sufficient. Follow one book.
I think she got like MIT Surathkal, sir.
What?
MIT Surathkal.
MIT Surat. She is
NIT,
doing NIT Surat. She is
yes, sir.
doing BTech.
No idea what she's doing.
NIT Surat means BTech only. Don't worry, you will get a good IIT. Focus on IIT.
Maths, sir. For
Uh,
maths.
how much means?
No, sir. For maths, what can I do, sir? Maths and chemistry.
Listen, did you take classes from ma'am? How is
Yes,
she teaching like?
yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, if you say like, sir, ma'am, I need special training because she has a lot of good knowledge in depth. She can go a very good level also. PhD, she is PhD because of her examination. Because I think NET exam, NET exam, NET ZRF. So she is, I
Yes,
think, her exam on September on. She is doing PhD also. A lot of pressure on her also.
yes,
That
sir.
is why. But no worry, you just ask time from her and take the tuition from her. Because I don't know any teacher can teach better than that. I can't say. For chemistry, I will suggest you follow NCRT only.
Yes, sir.
But I am thinking like how will I chemistry? I don't have any colleague, but I will if I am getting any chemistry teacher, I will suggest you. Till now I don't have. NCRT is sufficient. If you read line by line NCRT, that is sufficient in chemistry. Jairam Reddy is teaching
Yes, sir.
na chemistry.
Yes, sir.
This topic is going on
Currently, metallurgy was going on.
metallurgy. Uh, he was actually chemistry mole concept. I was teaching, but not now. I am not teaching chemistry. I was only physics, but I like mole concept very much. So learn mole concept better way.
I have some book on some on. I think I have two books for chemistry now.
Two books. Which two books can you name?
Partics are sir, this thing by J.D. Lee for that inorganic chemistry and solvents. This thing by solvents. Final cinder by for organic chemistry.
Ah, okay. Whatever topic you just check, you do one thing. For chemistry, I think if you check the NCRT book first, check the topic from there and try to read from the book. Clear? You can do self because chemistry is simply theory like
Sir,
combination
I think
reaction.
this year foundation books are a bit easier than last year's in
Huh.
science generally.
In
Physics
science,
and chemistry foundation books are easier than last year's.
now yeah. Because they have changed the syllabus now. Harika ma'am is taking class,
I think for lower classes, she's taking classes.
but they are not promoting her now to higher. She knows she is
Okay.
MSc.
I think a lot of people want her teach. I don't know why. Because I also don't know. I also came last year only, sir.
Yeah, I know only one, but she is in EP, I think I don't know. But if we will not give chance to anyone, then how? Yes. But level is not. I will still say like level is not up to the mark. If she will teach, yeah, she can teach, but better than current teacher, she can teach. What I suggest. But level is
Lot of
still
people want
level, but level is still she can't reach. I can suggest.
her.
Level is that IIT level now because I feel I teach so many students and I know the level at what level I should go. Mathematics in physics, if you work on see in the competition exam, three subject physics, chemistry, maths. If you make two subjects strong like physics or maths, and your chemistry is little bit weak, average only, then you can clear the you can crack the exam. You can easily crack the exam. Competitor like the one who is a topper, he is actually he is not focused on all the three subjects. Here he is good in two subject and one of the subject he is average. There then only he become topper. So physics or math you can work hard. Math please ask ma'am take more classes. Request you will get.
Yes, sir.
Because I think she can teach. You can ask numericals as many numericals from her. Take her time. Okay. Physics don't worry. Till now I will start after once your syllabus is complete now. I will start experimental question. You know, I think you have or not, but here in area, like in this campus, students are students have physics manual. You know, physics manual. In that manual, I was conducting experiment also. They have experimental question also, and I think there is more chances for these question to be asked here this time. So experimental question also you should have a mastery. Okay, I will
Boards also,
discuss.
sir.
Uh, I will discuss. I will take the. I don't have actually access. I will ask for Xerox from them. Okay. Once I get
Yes,
Xerox or I will take the snap. I will send in the group. Practice those questions also.
yes, sir.
And no need to worry. Which question number in this question like which you are asking? Hello. Which
Question
question
number
is
26, sir. Now I got the answer, sir. 26.
26? A concave spherical mirror forms a 40 centimeter high real image of an object. What is this? Radius of mirror is given focal length. You can use it all. We are asked to find the distance
Yes,
from the
sir. I got it
object.
now. I got it now.
Distance from the
Answer
object to its
1
image v minus u. Here,
Yes, sir.
easy only.
Yes, sir. Now I
And
got it. I think something happened in the exam hall.
no problem actually. Any other question?
No other question, sir.
But this is not a that level.
Yes, sir. Very easy only this time.
It's easy.
And for the 24th one, the answer is suppose I got the answer as option 3, sir. But many people are telling like option 1 and 2, sir. For question number 24.
To form an image twice the size of the object, twice the size of object. Pole and focus. If you place an object between pole and focus for convex lens, it is convex lens, na? Yes.
Option 3.
Less than yeah. Option three. Option three. Between okay, if it is more than 40, 80 between C and F.
So the marking grace
Yeah,
marks be given for option 1 and 2,
yeah. It
sir.
will be. Listen, they are option three also right. Be less than 40
Oh,
also because if you place an object, there is one case now like if you place an object between pole and focus of convex lens, an image will be virtual only, but like they are asking to form an image twice the size of an object. You can do like
Sir,
this.
but option 2 is wrong, right? Sir, option 1 is right, but 2 is wrong, right, sir?
Listen, I will opt to distance. Let's check. Which option you have marked?
I marked option 3.
Okay, let me see. Is my screen visible?
1 minute, sir. I think I can stop sharing.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
visible. Question is, page is finished. Let's wait. Here, which question?
24, 20.
24, na?
Option 3.
Convex. Convex lens is like that. This is pole, focus, F1, F, F here, 2F, 2F. Here, if you place an object between what they are saying, to form an image twice the size of object, means HI is twice the size of object. It's magnitude, okay? Magnitude. Using convex lens of focal length, 40 centimeter. Focal length is positive. Clear? The object must be. You please tell me F is, this is how much? 40. This is 80. Now please tell me what is the magnification formula? M is equal to V by I,
By
V by U. It
U.
is, I think, HI by HO. So you please tell me our twice the size, okay? It is forming when there are two cases. When HI is, there will be two cases. When HI is twice, but HI is minus. Clear? If it is, I think, it may be plus 2. Clear? If you place object here, its image will be here only. Big
P
side,
in FN.
left only. So it will be positive, na? HO. M is positive and V is equal to 2U. And what is the formula of 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U? F is how much? 40. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Now what 1 upon V is 2U minus 1 upon U. 1 upon U common. It is minus half. 1 upon 40. So what is U? U will be minus 20.
Minus 20.
Minus 20 means object will be here. Image will be at minus 40. Here only. Understood? This is
Yes, sir.
when twice the size. Clear? This image is the object. So in between pole and the focus. So between 40, what is the option? 40 and 80, less than 40 centimeter. Your option C is correct. Yeah, your answer is correct. Absolutely. And between 40 80, if it is object is here now, between C and F, then image will beyond C. Beyond C is like that. Yeah, you're right. You can check also. M is equal to, when it is beyond C, then this will be -2. Okay. You can real and invert it. -2u. Put the value here. Focal length is positive. 1 upon V. V is -2u minus 1 upon u. It will be how much? -1 upon u common. 3 by 2. 1 upon 40. U will be what? -20 by 3. -20 by 3. It is lying between. See, it is how much? B is -2. Okay, real inverted. HIHO. Yeah, it is correct. M -2 between C and F, na 40 and 80. You will be what? -20 by 3. Clear? If U is negative, V is
Yes,
positive. V is 40 by 3. 40 by 3, how much? 3 1 3. 13.3 means something
13.3.
between this. Then U value comes out to be -20 by 3. 1 upon F minus by 2. Oh, big mistake we did. 2 2s are 4 na. 23 is 60. U will be -60. Sorry. That is I am saying why answer is coming wrong.
Yes, sir.
Here, -60 means object is in between 40 and 60. Object is here.
80.
Clear? Between 40. Then if U 60 -60, then V will be 120. 120 means beyond C. But I have already explained. Okay. This is common sense. Option C is correct. Very nice. I'm really impressed. Very nice. And this question easy. I think this is the only question. But I think what these people are doing, even if I will not solve, na, even without solving also I can say. I have given you a proof. You please tell me, in convex lens, image will be more than the size of object only when the object is placed between pole and focus, or between the center of curvature and the focus. Then only it is more than that. Then already I have proved also. Clear? So option C is correct, right? That question I don't know, but D minus U they're asking next question. Okay. Any doubt?
Yes. No other doubts.
So be happy. Paper level is still I'm saying it's not up to the mark. You should
Yes, sir. Very.
practice. Your level should be high. Okay, and your level is high already. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Thanks.